Here's more information on our new multifamily hard to reach direct install program. Add value to your property and reduce maintenance costs with the Southern California Regional Energy Network Small Hard to Reach Direct Install Program. This direct install program helps customers who do not have easy access to program information due to a language, income, housing type, geographic, or home ownership barrier and allows them to still enjoy the benefits of energy efficiency upgrades. This is eligible for multifamily properties containing 5 to 50 units. This enables property owners to make improvements at no cost to them. The funds are available on a first come, first served basis, so please complete the interest form as soon as possible so our team can contact you with more information.
Eligible measures for the program include, but are not limited to, duct seals, aerators, pipe, and tank insulation. The program can cover more extensive retrofits based on your property's needs as well. So, how do we get started? You can participate in the program with 4 easy steps. The first is a consultation, wherein a dedicated account manager will contact you after you complete the interest form available on our website. The next is an energy assessment, where a qualified contractor will complete a site visit to identify opportunities for no cost energy efficiency upgrades. Next, once the scope of work is finalized, the contractor will install all measures available through our program. Finally, you'll go through project closeout documents with your dedicated account manager after a final inspection on any available permits has been conducted to close out your project. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our program at smallhardtoreach@socalren.com. Thank you so much.